Okay. So yeah, they have given us the array. So they have already given us an array. They have to return only the numbers which are even. We have to ignore all the odd numbers. So this is what the question says. We have to return a function which return the value which are not odd. Means only the even value must be returned from an array. So the condition to check a given number is even or odd. If you do modulus of the number by 2, if that returns 0, then it's an even number. If the modulus of 2, the number returns 1, then it's an odd number. So we'll use same logic. We use a inbuilt function in JavaScript called as filter, and in each values we be having a individual element called as val. So it can be any name. I'm just given it as val. So I'll check if each val, if we do modulus of 2, and if that gives 0, then only I'll return it, or else I will ignore it. So yeah, I'll attempt. So this is the core logic. For each and individual element, I'll do the modulus of 2. If that equals 0, then it's an even, hence I can return it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.